Maybe you've seen the billboard near the Highland Strip or heard the story on Wednesdays Live at 9. A campaign called Birds Are Not Real.
People are also saying that birds aren't real.
From 1959 through 2001, the government mercilessly genocided over 12 billion birds and simultaneously replaced them with surveillance drones in disguise.
Every avian creature is actually a drone set up by the government to spy on us.
I've wasted an entire career working on birds that might not be real.
I figured out something else that like nobody else knows about right now.
Oh,
Leighton knows what's up. I'm about to tell you. Yeah, turn your VPN on real quick for this one, okay? What are you guys doing in here?
Hey, what up?
Did you know birds aren't real?
Oh, shouldn't you be going to bed soon?
So I'm driving along and I look over and I see this flipped upside down USA.
ASN? Or no? Wouldn't that have to be upside down? Oh, you said flip it upside down.
Oh, so you just flip everything?
What?
BSN. BSN.
I can shoot. I
think VSN.
It'd be VSN.
VSN, nigga.
VSN. What do you think VSN spells out?
Virtual spy network.
Close.
Virgins suck nuts. Virtual social network.
A virtual surveillance network?
I mean, what does bird upside down look like?
And then if you look at the VSN and try to say it like a word, what does it say?
Vision?
Vision.
Vision. Oh.
Where are you getting at with this?
Birds aren't real.
That was a trip. I really don't know what to say.
Whoa.
Coincidence?
Think not. I think not.
Getting real tired of birds, you know? I think we should just, what if we got rid of them all?
They already did. We've been duped from the start, dude. They know. The birds recharge themselves whenever they're sitting on those telephone wires.
No way!
Dude!
Yep. They recharge themselves.
Tell me they're real.
What does it mean when I see pigeons f***ing each other, though?
That means they're trying to share data.
Edward Snowden didn't commit treason, so we could sit here and joke about birds.
Bo's gonna take a drag of his cigarette and he's gonna look at a prostitute and he's gonna say, "Listen here, Joe. Underneath the U.S. government has human. Underneath the ground, there's some breeding between pigs, cows, and photos of Spider-Man.